Hello everyone. Today we are celebrating the Event Organizers Day, which is considered to be one of the most significant days for the event industry. So, on behalf of this occasion, we will be discussing about 6 points on how Precision Pro Events handled the pandemic with Mr. Sundar Babu, the Managing Director of Precision Pro Events. What was your company's initial response to the pandemic, sir?
Let me initially talk individually. We all were in a great panic. We were not sure what's going to happen for an individual. When we thought about the company, we were looking as to how we can manage the situation. Each day it was changing. We initially thought it was a small virus. It's going to not stay for a long time. As days go on, as we heard a lot of news, we knew that it's not going to end soon. We started to interact with the counterparts of the industry, with the family, to check what is our next move. We initially thought it's 2 months, 3 months, then at last we thought, no, let's plan for 6 months. Here we are in the 7th month, and I'm sure, not me, everybody had undergone the same situation. Am I right? Since event management is a non-essential sector, we understood that we need to be double safe. The employees who are dependent on us should be taken care of. We had to draft a big plan.
Can you tell us about the major difficulties you encountered, sir?
The events were lined up. We had a lot of events where we had paid the vendors, where the client had paid us. There's a lot of preparations, right? It's a humongous task, as you all know. We had to pay back everybody. It was huge overheads which we had to manage. And we thought the lockdown will be over. There came the version 2, version 3, version 4. So it was very, very tough for us to manage this difficult time. Yeah.
So how did you tackle these difficulties, sir?
We had to sit again and plan. All that we could do every day is plan. So a few of my employees were pretty smart enough to give wonderful solution. We had to discuss a lot with the family too, correct? It's not only for the office. So the initial plan worked well by asking the employees to work from home. Thankfully, most of our clients were very cooperative. They made sure that they keep us engaged with some other project which was not intended for us to do, actually speaking. Managing the overheads was one of the biggest thing which we had to do. Then came the best next plan, which was a virtual platform what we wanted to create, and that's why we spent a lot of time.
Could you give us a brief overview of your virtual event platform?
World is looking through a virtual window. We thought we should be a part of it. That's when we came out with something very unique for our clients. We have built it in such a way where the conferencing becomes much easy. Our expertise helped us to build the semi-immersive technology inside this. We all need a very easy conferencing, right? So that's when we created this easy conferencing technology.
So what is your take on the event industry returning to in-person events?
There are lakhs of lives which are a part of the in-person event. Be it sets, be it designs, be it sound, slides, trussing, production. There's a lot of people who are depending on it. We all want to go back to work. We all want to see the live event happening, which is vibrant and bright, right? We are all waiting for it to open up.
What do you think about the future of the event industry, sir?
Virtual events are going to stay. Hybrid events are going to play a huge role. The event industry has been hibernating for quite long now. It's been 6 months, right? Companies will get back with abundant ideas, unique solutions. we all have been resting enough. I think it's best time for us to pull up our socks and come back to work.